Oh my Go! I forgot to change my Go live. Dang it! Advent of code. Wewa. I forgot. I honestly forgot. Dude, unbelievable. Unbelievable. I don't think it matters. You know what? The thing doesn't matter. Nothing matters. It's fine. Yeah, for some reason Restream, the chat just like in OBS does not show. That's a bummer. Okay. Let's see. Advent of code day 1. Uiua? Twitch.tv Swalker or YouTube. Well, we'll just put the links. Who even cares? We'll put we'll get devalued on the tweets. It's fine. Look, it doesn't even matter. Okay. What is it? YouTube? What is my channel? What is my channel? View your channel. Is there like a lot? Oh, there we go. I like how they put my dog as the thing, right? It's great. All right, let's see. Or this, I guess, right? Did I do it right? Okay, this is playing, right? It's good? Okay. All right, cool. One thing that I would like to do, right, is, did I do that? Yeah, I did that. Okay. I guess, like, I've been messing with this a little bit, but honestly, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if I can get it. I doubt it. I doubt this is gonna work. Oh, I know. Oh, I'm sorry. TCP stream, I'm sorry. Okay, because I forgot to change my go live before I went live. And so it's actually Advent of Code day 1 with Wewa. Okay, this is what's actually happening. All right. So we got to try to, the first thing I got to do with this Advent of Code is, but yeah, Superlet is cool, right? This actually might be syntactically correct. Not Rust. Nightshade. It's not Rust. It's not Erlang. It's not OCaml. It is Wewa. Okay, it's Wewa. Look, everyone else is going when everyone else is zigging, you gotta zag. Okay, literally, when everyone else is writing zig, you have to zag. There's two things actually, Nightshade, that I wanted to do is like, I saw Dax's tweet about Werner Vogel's at AWS reInvent, and I wanted to watch the keynote, and I'm also in the middle. Look at this. Look, I'm in the middle. Okay, Rexace, what's up? And he tweeted, or he mentioned that like chart of programming languages. Erlang is a yeet compared to other languages. He mentioned that chart about like programming languages and like energy usage, and he was like, "Oh, we should all be writing Rust." And Dax was very upset about that. And I agree that we should all be writing Rust, but not for the energy savings, right? Like, this is not about carbon emissions, right? This is just Rust is a language that helps you write correct code. And like, what other point are we out here doing if not that, right? Are all low energy? Yeah, that's what I mean. Like that argument about Rust being lower energy is like such a, it's dumb. Like, it's honestly dumb. Rust is the ultimate vegan language. All Rust devs, we're granola. You know, you didn't know, but we were granola. So yeah, let's look at, so first I want to try to see if I can even get the example working, right? If I can even get this one line in Wewa to work. Okay, I'm not gonna try to do the rest of it. I'm just gonna try to get the numbers out of this string in Wewa. That's all I'm gonna do, because I was just messing with it. I have an uphill battle. Like, it's not looking good for me in Wewa. Power shipping embedded devices C. That argument is null and void. Yeah. No, I got it. Nightshade. Unfortunately, we all understand that joke. It's unfortunate, but we do. For day one, it starts strong with part two. Oh, does it? It starts strong with part two? Okay. Yeah, this is just part one. I'm not even trying to do part two right now, right? This is not even a thing. All right, so let's, this is what I have so far. Okay, so let me go over my thought process, right? Okay. So let's go over Wewa real quick, right? So Wewa is an array programming language that supports tacit programming, which means you don't have to name the arguments that you pass to each function. The other thing is that it is a stack-based language. So every time you put a value here, it gets pushed onto the stack, right? And so like a stack is literally what you think, like last in, first out, or whatever. It's like a data structure. It's a stack of values, right? And there's operations. All these things up here are operations that you can do, right? They're operations you can do on the stack, right? So let me just, so here's the first example of advent of code day one. Right, so the goal is to get the first and last character out of this string that is a numeric value, right? So at first, I'm really doing Wewa. Yes, I'm really. It's like a day 5+ problem. Yeah, there's no way I'm gonna be able to do a Wewa. It was a real head scratcher because I never dealt with anything like that. I thought it was a joke. Addy's super. I'm not joking. Friendliest ASCII language. Yes, I'm not joking. Like you thought I was joking. So how do I approach this problem with Wewa, right? Wewa's very powerful. I will say that. Like I've been messing with it. It's pretty dang powerful. But the thing is, normally in like Rust, what I would do is I would just get the characters from, well, first I would take all the input, split on new line, right? Then I would like get the characters, check if they're alphanumeric, right? Get the first and last, and then sum all of those, right? Pretty straightforward. But in Wewa, I don't actually know how to do that, right? And so I don't actually know if you can check if a number is alphanumeric, right? But I do know that we could do this. We can check if each row of one array exists in another, right? So I'll have to just, so I'm looking for numbers, right? But specifically, these are characters in a string, not actually numbers. And so I figured out that in Wewa, you can have an array of characters, right? So here we go, 1, 2. But I think you can even do this a little better because I think there's a range. Make an array of all natural numbers less than a number, but there's still going to be numbers, which is, I think, the problem, right? Is I need them to be characters. So this is what I did, right? I just did this, right? I did all the numbers I'm looking for, right? And then here we go. Okay, good. So then what I did is this is the top value of the stack, right? And these are all characters. This is how you do characters in Wewa, right? Check less than or greater than char 1. Yeah, I actually don't know how to do that either. But so we have the top value of the stack is all of the things that we're looking for, right? And then this is the second value in the stack, the input string, right? So here, what I can do is I can say member, right? So I type in member, right? And then that's it, right? I just call run, right? And so now you can see that we have an array, right, of 1 and 1. So these all match the. I mean, I'm honestly, this is one function. Like I literally just did one function in Wewa, and I got pretty close, right? So this is not exactly what we want. We actually want the numbers themselves, right? So instead of member, let's do index of, right? So here we just type in index of, we hit run, right? There we go. Now we're Now we're cooking with gas, right? And so these indices don't actually exist, right? So that's like a weird thing that I don't understand. Is like these indexes they shouldn't be tens. So I'm confused by that, but at least we have like a mask, right, of stuff. We've got 1 and 2. So we found what we're looking for, right? So now I'm like, okay, let's check if each row of this new array on the stack exists, right? So I can just click this, right? But now I have stack was empty, right? Indices, that's right. Never use an array-oriented programming language. That's what Python list comprehensions are for. I don't know what Python list comprehensions are for. Are actually, what is a Python list comprehension? But yeah, that's the idea, right? Is that you keep applying functions to the stack, and then it's like this. It's functional. It's essentially functional programming, but everything operates on arrays, right? So a string is an array of characters. You'd have to put numbers in an array. There's no unary values, right? Like there's not a unit value. Brackets everywhere. That's the list type. Oh, was it? I don't know what a list comprehension is. Come on now. What is it? I don't know what it is. Oh, here it is. List comprehensions. Provide a concise way to create lists. Squares. List, map, lambda. Yeah. Oh, right here. Ooh, that's ugly. Wow. Which is more concise and readable? Yeah, I would say Wewa's a little bit more readable than this, but whatever. Even numbers equals number for... This is... like looking at this, it looks it's like you're trying to do you're trying to do normal programming, like what is it? You're trying to do imperative programming, but like functionally. This is what this looks like. It breaks down. I feel like this is bad. All right, so let me see. So the stack was empty. So now I'm like, okay, how do I do this, right? Do I duplicate the top value on the stack? Because I'm looking to make sure that the indexes exist, right? So I'm like, okay, what do I do? Do I do dot here, right? But then I have this, and they all exist. So this array is 10 characters long, right? But ABC should not exist in the... So now I'm like, is this a bug? Like, find the first index of each row of one array in another. So I'm like, okay. So maybe instead what I do is this. Find the occurrences of one array in another. Maybe that's what I want. Maybe I want find, right? Maybe I want find. Let's try find. So let's do the top value. Okay, so only one exists? That's interesting. Oh, because I'm doing indices. I don't want that. I don't want indices. I want this, but then now I have to somehow take this and filter all of the characters in this. I am so confused. This is not going well. This is going worse than I thought it was gonna go. It's not only bad, it's also slow. I literally have a line in my solution like this. P equals replacer, hate. What in the world? What in the world is this? Try gleam. Oh my gosh, could you imagine? It's triggering me. Swift Rust, rage-driven development. Yeah, I'm totally triggered by that. All right, so let me think about this. So I had this like once, right? So I basically want to discard or copy some row. I basically have to look through this and find what I want, right? Drop the first element, the first n elements of an array. Take, no, that's not what I want. So now I pretty much want, how can I take this and just like apply it so that I get 1 and 2, right? I basically want to find these indices, right? I keep saying indices like it's cool. I want to find these numbers, but as characters, right? So maybe what I do is like, we just look through here. Let's see, we just look through, apply a function. Okay, apply a function to each of the rows, apply a function to the table, cross, blah, blah, blah. What else is here? What else do we have? Length, shape, range, first D shape, reverse the rows. What's this? Rotate the shape. Call a function on 2 sets. Let's see. Temporarily pop the top value of a stack and call a function. Discard the top stack. Rectify. Oh, experimental. Set a function as its own inverse. Apply a function with implicit unboxing. Group elements of an array into buckets by sequential keys. No. What's this one? By index. Repeat a function. Okay. What's up here? What are the green ones? This looks like remove duplicate arrays. Assign a unique index to each unique element. No. Get indices where array values are not equal to 0. Wait, is this what I want? This is what I want, right? Is this what I want? I want where?
Hello,
right?
Peter.
I totally want this. I want this. Like, I found it. I can't believe it. Andrew, welcome. I can't believe it. But the second part didn't feel like a day one at all. There's no way I'm getting to. I'm just trying to get this one example, okay, to work. Okay, so let me see. So if I do where, and then we take the second duplicate the second to top value to the top of the stack, right? Let's see. Can we do that? Run? Oh no. Oh no. So I feel like I've popped this off already, right? So I might have to duplicate. I might have to duplicate the top value and then duplicate the second to top value. Oh no. Oh no. That's not good. Okay, so this has become the new value. Oh wait, here it is. That's exactly what, just these two characters. Dude, this is blowing my mind right now. Like, I'm literally just like, yeah, let me just have this one Unicode. Like, look at this function. So I literally called member and I called where. So the first thing I did was I checked if each row of this array exists in this array. And then I got the indices where array values are not equal to 0. Dude, I am so into this. I love this, okay? I love this. All right, we're making progress. Andrew, we're making progress right now. Feels like there's no perfect solution for part 2. The only thing popping here is an artery in my brain. Dude, your artery in your brain is popping, but this whole language is popping off, all right? Like, we're going hard right now. Like, I love this. All right, so let me see. So now that I have the indices, right? Now I have to get the first and last, right? But I actually I want the first and last of these values though. So I basically have to let's see, what else can I do? Let me think about this. It's not easy. Okay, so now that I have the right things, right? I actually need the values. I need the values back now.
It's
right?
pronounced indices.
Just let me do what I want to do. Okay, Rex says, let me do what I want to do. This is the opposite of skill issue. That's right. That was impressive. Yeah, I guess you can do the first line like this. Oh, come on, Andrew. Don't just do it. Oh, no, to fill it. Yeah. Yeah, I guess you're right. You know what? You're probably right. Let me see. Instead of that, but it looks nice
Index
to see
D's
it.
nuts.
You know? Is this fill? Is that what this? Oh, add values. What is add? Add values. 0. Range 10. Range make an array less than a number. Okay. Uh-oh. It fell apart. Oh no. No, you have to fill, right? You don't want to add. You want to fill, right? You want to fill it. Fill. Set the fill value for a function, right? Am I crazy? Oh, that's for a function. Yeah, maybe not add, right? What if we just did this? Can I? Yeah, but see, this is what so I can't do that. That's why I didn't do that. See, because look at this. I'm doing characters. Do you see this? I'm doing characters, right? Oh wait, I see what you're saying. You're trying to add 0, right? Yeah, you're trying to do this. I see what you're saying. But if I do this, what if I do run? Oh, it makes a string. Then I'd have to split. I'd have to do a window, right? Wouldn't I have to do like a windows or something, right? I'd have to do like a window or something, right? To get I'd have to do window on this, right? Let's just see what it gives you. Yeah, it's a string, right? So you have to be able to split it. The syntax is wild. Wild's like, it's not psychotic, okay? It's not unhinged, all right? Of course, Uiua is written in Rust. Rexace, you know it's written in Rust. It's got to be written. Range gives you, yeah, but it doesn't though, right? It gives you a string, right? Wait, I didn't even hear this one. What happened? Add values is self-documented code. Yeah, no, Andrew, right? Am I crazy? It gave me a string though. Not characters. I have to split them somehow, right? How do I do this? Power, max, min, complex. Shape? Do I shape? I thought for sure I could do a windows on it, right? I could do like a windows, right? What if I try that again? Let's see. Window, make the n-wise windows of an array. Unbelievable. What do I do? Do I duplicate? That's my go-to. Can I duplicate this thing? Look, just let me go back to what I was doing, all right? This isn't working like I wanted it to. Okay, there we go. There we go. Let's bring it back. All right. So I've got these, right? So this is 0 and 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Two characters, 2 Unicode characters. This is the best code I've ever written. Let's see. So now I need to figure out how to get this back. So basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to append to arrays. Select multiple rows from an array. Pick, reshape. Oh, change the rank of an array's rows. What does that even mean? Oh, shoot. So now what I'm trying to do is this, right? Now that I have these, I'm basically just trying to get the values back, right? So let's see. Discard or copy some rows. Check if each row, okay. Find the first index. Apply a reducing function. Reduce but keep intermediate values. How do I just get the values back from the I don't know if this, I think I went down the wrong way. I think I'm doing this the wrong way. Wait, is this real? A Felix 5, is this real? Try parse. Yeah, exactly. But is literally 0, 1. Oh, is it really? Yeah, but it's weird because it didn't work, right? Select. I'm permabanning Rexace. I don't know what this means. A Felix 5, you might be a genius or you might be like unhinged. I don't know, but this somehow might work. I have no clue. Okay. I don't actually know if this is real code or not, right? Okay, let me see. Parse U size unwrap. Okay, so let me see. We'll try select, I guess, because Andrew seems to know what he's talking about. I think. Select multiple rows from an array. So let's do select, which all you have to do is say cell, right? All you have to do is type cell, and then it seems to do it. Oh, the stack is empty. So now I have to, I mean, I guess what I could do is like literally copy, even though I'm not supposed to do this, right? I'm not supposed to, index must be an array, not characters. Oh, so this is the first argument is, which I wish it would tell you, right? Append, so select multiple rows, but I wish it would actually tell you, right? So this is going to be this, and then we have to do this, right? Okay, so that's not good, right? That's not good at all. What if I did add 1 and then just like a bunch of dumb stuff, right? Let's do like a... Well, I see what you're saying. So this should work, right? Let's comment this, and this should work, right? That 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? That should work. No. Let's get rid of this. Okay. Oh, it does work. That's interesting. I wonder why the fill version didn't work. Right? Range 10. I see what you're saying now, right? That's weird. You're trying to build a string that is... Yeah, it's weird. It doesn't work, though, right? It's very strange. Because, oh, I see. You're trying to make them characters, right? That's interesting. You're trying to add the character. What if you... Yeah, well, let's not get distracted. But this is good. This looks better than this, right? So we'll keep this. Okay, select is not the one. Index... Oh, index a row or elements from an array. Index a row or elements? What does that mean? What does pick mean? So let's see. I did this, but... And then I did where, right? Check if each... Oh, get where are not equal to 0. Okay. And then select multiple rows from an array. Index a row. What does pick do? Pick? Okay, but I need to actually have this value, right? I need to actually have this value somewhere, right? I don't know what I'm doing. Let me see. What if I duplicate? Because I've already changed the value now. The value is now this. This is the only thing on the stack. So now I need to like put this back, right? Oh, I know what I could do. We could assign variables because I don't know how to do tacit programming yet. Okay, I don't understand it. So let's see. We'll do a binding, right? And then we'll say n or like mask. We'll do m for mask and I for input, right? Oh no, I is a special character. I is a reserved. Oh no. Oh, okay, that's fine, right? We'll do like in, right? Okay, so let's do in. Oh, binding names with 2 or more characters should be... Dude, I am so lost with this. All right, let me see. So let's do this. Then we'll put, we'll do pick in, right? How is the stack empty? Oh, because I have to do M here, and then I have, so let's do M. Let's do. Dude, I'm so. Oh, this is frustrating. This is skill issues, 100%. No, it's not BF. Okay. Melky, what am I drinking? I'm drinking matcha. That's what I'm drinking. Press shift to get docs for it. Oh, I didn't even know that. I get it. It should be at, oh, not in parens, right? 0 is not a used digit in this problem. Oh, really? 0 and 4 are the, yeah, they're the indices. Exactly. Wewa. Vincent, it's a Wewa. You better check. No, that's the thing about ChatGPT. It doesn't even understand Wewa, though. It gave me wrong examples. I'd have to, like, feed Wewa's, like, docs into ChatGPT, you know? Yeah, this is a bummer. This is so frustrating. What's this NeoVim thing? It's not VS Code. It's not. All right, so let's look at the stack here. The stack is empty. That's the problem, right? So if I assign these as variables, now the stack is empty, right? We got to go back to Tacit because I don't understand variables in Wewa. So let's go back to member, right? Shift enter. Okay, good. And then we'll do where. Okay, so now I have the right indices, right? And so now I need to do something where I like, oh, I know what I could do. I know what I could do. This is like a hack, right? So we'll assign M here and we'll say pick this with I don't actually know. I honestly don't know. Like, do we do this? Like, is this what we do? Oh my gosh. Index must be an array of integers, not characters. So pick requires it to be, but I actually, okay, what if I do this? M here? No, stack was empty. So like there's a second argument. Okay, so let's do this. Cannot pick from rank 1 array with index length 5. Oh. So pick is not what I want then. Shift plus click, or control. Oh, shift plus click. Oh, shoot. It's a dyadic function. What does that mean? I think it just means it takes 2 arguments. An index with rank 0 or 1 will pick a single row. Okay, so let's look at this. 2. An index with rank 0 or 1. I don't even know what a rank is. Let's see. Pick index. Okay, so 2, 0, 1, 2. Oh. Okay, so if you give it a list of arrays, it'll... what is this? Duplicate the top value? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it'll take 1 and 1? Oh. Wait, 1? This doesn't even make any sense. Like, what am I looking at? This second one, I don't even understand, right? If the index's rank is 2 or greater, then multiple rows will be picked. Yeah, that's what I want, right? Let's see. 1, 2, 0, 1. So I want, can be used to modify the value in an index. What in the world? What is this sorcery? Let me see. This 1, 2, 0, 1. So why would this index? So why would this choose 6 and 2, right? Why would this choose 6 and 2? This doesn't even make any sense. Oh, because this is a matrix, right? This is, because these are 2 arrays. There's 1 array here, and so it picks, okay, yeah, I see. So this is like, so let's, can I mess with this? So let's see the output here is like this. Yeah, these are, okay, it's an array. Yeah, these are 2 arrays essentially, right? And so pick will take, 1, it'll take 1 down, maybe 2. No, it took 2. So 1, oh, I see. So in the first one, oh, it's counting from bottom to top. Oh my gosh, this is blowing my mind right now. What in the world? It's going from right to left, bottom to top. Yeah, it's a matrix. Yeah. I always thought Rust had too much syntax. It's true. It's true. DG111, welcome. The argument is after the function. Yes. It's focused on beauty. It's not focused on beauty. It's focused on, I believe you're a cop, but no, you're able to do part 2. I'm just trying to get this one example working, you know? Rondev, I'm here for the tea. We're doing the tea. Duplicate just to show array and example. Oh, okay. I always thought Rust is part 2 took me 2 hours to do in Wewa. Andrew, what in the world? Okay, but we'll do Andrew's thing where, did I lose all my stuff? Oh, I lost everything. Luckily it was only 2 characters, right? So let's do, I clicked, I should have opened a new window. All right, so let's do this. Let's do what he said. So we'll do this, range 10, right? And so this should give us the string. Dude, that is sick. Oh man, this is amazing. 1 ABC2, is that what it was? Okay, so first value of the stack, second value of the stack, right? And so here we go, member, right? swear. Well, I'm getting it though as I do this more and more. This is okay. So now pick is kind of what I want actually, right? I think I do want that, but I have to do this where yeah, so I can't pick from a because it's trying to do two different values. It needs to be a two-dimensional array. They call it ranks, but really what they mean is dimensions, right? Yeah. So I can't do this with pick, right? I have to do something like, yeah, maybe it is select, right? Maybe it is select. Okay, but that doesn't help me. That doesn't help me at all. That is not helping me. So let's figure out how this works, right? Let's actually just figure out how this works. Let's do select, right? We'll over select. We'll do command to click, right? There we go. Okay, so
Thank
select.
you, Pokemon, for the raid.
Could you imagine though? Could you imagine? Wait, what happened? Was there a raid? Oh no, I don't think so, right? I was like, could you imagine? Pokemon raiding me? That would be so weird, right? People would come in here and be like, what is this person spending their life force on? Like, what is this? Okay, so let me see. Can you explain each token and what it does? Yes, I can. Wait, what is happening? What is Tej in here? Wait, what? Self-promo. He's talking about OCaml? Tej, are you in here talking about OCaml? All right, so let me see. Yeah, I'll explain. So basically what's happening is this, right? So this is plus, right? So I'm basically making this, right? So I'll show you. So let's comment this out. Shift enter. So this is range from 0 to 9 inclusive, right? So or less than 10, right? So make an array of all natural numbers, right? And this one right here is the literal character value of 0. So I'm basically adding 0, right, to the range of 0 to 10, which I'm only doing this because I want them to be characters. I want this to be a string, right? Because the inputs are strings, and in Wewa I don't know how to turn characters into numbers. So I don't actually know how to turn them into integers. I don't understand. So that's why I made this string. So like plus adds values. So I'm adding this value, and plus is probably also a dyadic function, which means it takes 2 arguments, right? Let's see, click. Yeah, dyadic pervasive function. These words though, these words. Simplicity. It is simplicity. I'm afraid to reply. What in the world? What's happening? I don't even know what's happening in this chat. We're getting crazy. All right, so this is a dyadic pervasive function apparently, but basically all it does is adds 2 values, right? So that's what I'm doing here, right? And this was actually Andrew's idea, not mine. I had the literal like character array, and then I dropped his string because I didn't realize they were the same thing. Okay, so here, and this is the first example of. I'm just trying to do this, just this one line in Wewa. That's all I want. So here we go. We've got this. All right, so now we come in here and we do this. I did member, right? So you can actually just type in mem, right? So check if each row of one array exists in another, right? So this is a stack, right, of values. So this first one is the first value in the stack, second value in the stack. Mem is also a dyadic function, right? So let's go member. Okay, so it takes 2 arguments, right? So check if each row of one array exists in another. So here, this is a unary value, but honestly, it's fine. So basically all it does is you give it an array and you give it a value, and like it gives you back the index of the value in the array on the right? So there you go. So that's what member does, right? So here I do mem, and then I do shift. So now see, I have this like mask of values, right? So like these 2 exist in the top value of the stack, right? And so then I can do where, right? And so I want to get the indexes or the indices of this string, right? So now where, right? Where takes, where's where? Where is it? What is where? It's green, I know that. Let's see, it's green. Rise, where? Is this? There we go. Okay, so where, right? Gets indices where array value, it's a monadic function, right? So it takes, it gets indices of one array where array values are not equal to 0, right? The most basic use is convert a mask into a list of indices, right? Day 2 is right around the corner. Your mod is bullying chatters. Yeah, I'm gonna unmod Nightshade at some point, but I'm not sure how far he has to cross the line. I haven't figured that out yet. But yeah, I'm gonna unmod him fairly soon. This is not what. Wait, this is not what this does. Wait, what? Andrew, what does it do? I think I'll wire a new custom key for that lang. It makes a lot of sense. Yes, it does. Rowoke, what's up? Soon? Yeah, the people shall be free. Exactly. Let me see. Okay, so let me do this. Where? Okay, so let's do run, right? Okay, so now I have, that's what where does, right? I've basically transformed this value of the stack and this value of the stack to mask where I want the first and last index of this string. So now I have them. I have 0 and 4 with 2 Unicode I just want to say this, with 2 Unicode characters, I have done this. Okay, this is happening, right? Wewa has allowed me to literally write what did I write? Like, I think where I literally typed these 6 characters, hit shift enter, and then it works. Oh man, like I honestly feel like a mad scientist right now. Like, this is incredible. He'll become one of us. Yeah. It's stack based. Yes, it's not fourth, but it is stack based, right? And it's written in Rust, by the way. So you can save some energy because Werner Vogel says you can save some energy from.
Did we just become best friends? Yup.
Shoot, Merlindrew, what's up? 5-month streak. Merlindrew, I honestly can't tell if you're always trolling or only sometimes trolling, but I appreciate it nonetheless. What is this REPL? Yeah, this is Wewa.org, right? It's like I'm an Egyptian priest. What? That is so specific. You never know. Yeah, Merlindrew always keeping me on my toes. I don't know what's happening. Written in Rust? Yeah, it is though. Wewa's written in Rust. Gives me plausible deniability. Not gonna read. That is where. Okay, we're going back to the code. All right, so now that I have this, right? Now I need to do. So I was thinking I could use pick, right? And pick is. So basically all this language is right here. These 2 lines here, the whole language is right here, right? And it's really cool because normally it's like not that you have to like read the docs. There's like a bunch of standard library stuff, blah, blah, blah. But with Wewa, everything is right here and it's incredible. So let's see. So we need to select multiple. So let's try to look at what select does versus pick, because I feel like select multiple rows from an array. So for a scalar selector, select is equivalent to pick. Okay, so let's see. So this gets, okay, 2 for rank 1, and that's what we're doing. We have a one-dimensional array, right? Select will pick multiple items from an array. Okay, so that's what we want. We want to get the 4, 2. So we want to get wow. Wait. 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then we want to get the second. Oh, dude, that's sick. Okay, so select is what I want. I just don't know. So now we'll do cell. And then we'll do this. And then I don't know how to, so I have to actually assign this as a variable, which I don't actually, let's just do it X, I guess, right? Because X is cool. I don't actually know how to do this like tacitly. The stack was empty when evaluating argument 2. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Like, why was it empty, right? This should be the, oh, I see. Here, let's do this. So what if I just start on this? Because I'm so confused. Let's do cell. So now I have the wrong order. Oh no, stack was still empty. Oh, because I actually pushed this on the stack. Okay, now I can do cell X. We'll do cell X. Okay, so this is still wrong though, right? It's not good. This is not a good thing. I got 0 and I'm so confused because select is supposed to, if I had 0, 4, right? Or this, right? 0, 4. And let's say I had 1 A, B, C. Oh, wait. No, this is fine. Run? Yeah, so it should give me 1, 2, right? I mean, this is what I want. But for some reason, I'm messing with the stack. Like, I'm not doing a good job. Okay, let me see. Let's do this. I'm dead set on learning this language. Let's see. Let's go back. Mem, where, right? Shift. Okay, so here we go. Select. And then I have to. So I want to. Oh, you know what I want to do? Actually, this is what I want to do. We're gonna duplicate. So when I did this, I actually I got those 2 values off the stack. So what I really want to do is I want to duplicate the first value of the stack. Right?
Like Shia LaBeouf once said, give up and use Rust.
Very nice.
I'm this close. I'm this close. Verlindru, nice gift. Oh, you wanted the name? Classic. Classic. This glyph-driven development is trippy. Someone needs to find a Rosetta Stone. The Rosetta Stone's at the top, right? Zero-based arrays, POG. Yes, I don't know what that means. This isn't APL. This is Wewa, okay? This is Wewa. Use pick? Yeah. We've gone way past, okay, chat? Like everyone here, okay? We've gone way past Haskell, okay? Pick is sobbing right now. He doesn't understand what's happening, okay? We're going to the end, the tippity top, okay? Imagine doing CRUD apps in a stack-based lang. Whoa, could you imagine? Like, it would be incredible. Suddenly Haskell looks easy. No, this, as does assembly. No, we got it all wrong. This is gonna help us, okay? I saw right through me. Look at that shiny vanity badge. I am the best. Verlindru, look, I mean, whatever makes you happy, you know? We're in the 4th dimension. Haskell's 2020, yeah. Haskell's not even 2023 though, right? Wewa has TCP support. Ooh, could you imagine? Whimsically made. Welcome. Yeah, it's Wewa. All right, so let's I think I need to duplicate the second value of the stack, right? But I almost want to do that. I don't want to pop it off the stack. How do I get stuff? What are stack operations? I need stack call function. Okay, let me see. I need to actually do more stack things, right? Because I don't want to change I'm mutating this stuff. I'm changing the stack. I'm mutating the stack. Let me see. So if I do that, let me do where again, but I've lost my values. So now I have this and I do cell, right? But see, this is wrong because like, I mean, if I assigned this to something and then I did cell n and then I did this 1 A, B, C, 2, this would work, right? No, it doesn't even work. What in the world? Because n should be, oh, I'd actually need to put it on the stack. Oh, okay. So I'd have to do like x is this, right? And then I'd have to say like this and assign it, and then I would do like nx, right? This is like normal programming, right? So it gives me the same value, which is like wrong. It's like not what I want. Okay, so that... Okay, let's look at what we have. So if I do just enter, it shows just that top value, right? Oh, I'd actually need to do like this. I am like abused. Okay, so now if I do n, then it's 0 and 4. So now if I do cell n x, right? Okay, so this is not what I'm supposed to be doing. I'm doing regular programming, not Tacit free. Dang it, I need to understand this better. But yeah, this is basically what I want, right? So if I come in here and I do another one, right? But now I need to actually take the first and last, right? I need to take the first and last. So like this one has more. So let's try this one, right? Let's try this one. I need to figure this out though, because I hate this. I hate assigning variables in a Tacit free. We need to not have variables. There's no variables allowed. So let's just comment all this, right? Actually, let's just comment this and then we'll leave this here, right? And then we'll do this. X is this. All right, so let's do this. So now if I do this, okay, so now I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. But the thing is I need to get the first and last. So now all I have to do is do first, I think just first, right? First, let's see. Okay, first is 1. Good. All right. And then last, I need to put it on the stack. How do I push something on the stack? Pop and flip? No. Duplicate. I need to duplicate, and then I'll do first, and then I'll do last, right? Oh no. Is there not a last? What is first? Green? Shape first, reverse. Oh, I can do reversed first. I can do reverse. Take, drop the first element, take the first. Okay, so I could do first, and then we could do a reverse, and then first. Dang it. Oh, I need to duplicate again, right? I need to store this in a value. Oh my gosh. F. And then F is this, right? Okay, so F is 1. And then I need to say L would be like last, right? And this wouldn't be a duplicate. This would just be the value of this, right? Oh, and then I need to store this. Oh, so annoying. I need to understand this better. The stack, I mean. So let's do this. Oh, and then we'll do rev first, right? We'll do first rev O, right? And then we'll do FL. Yeah, I mean, that works, but it's ugly. This is horrible. Okay, this is horrible Wewa. This is not idiomatic. How to copy and paste. Get out of here. Point for your go home. That's what I'm talking about. Whimsically made. Dot duplicates. Yeah, dot at the beginning. Oh. Wewa on TypeScript looks the same. Regular program. Yeah, it's just normal programming now. First reverse is fine.
Peter.
Yeah.
What's happening?
First reverse is simplicity. Nightshade, get out of here, okay? You're gonna make my Haskell seem like normal programming language? So I actually did do it though, right? So let's so I don't know how to split on new line though. So I only did it, because it would be an array. How would I even do this line by line? How would I do this line by line? How would I take an array? How would I take a two-dimensional array and convert it into a bunch of rank 1 arrays? I love this though. This is good. It's got my brain thinking, you know? Atomic, welcome. That is true. We need to do, so let's do, no, I'm not familiar. I'm not familiar with the array programming paradigm. You would never get how to split by lines on your own. Splitting by lines, I don't actually know, but so this is a solution to each individual thing, but I think what is going to happen is let's try to see if we can append to arrays. There's probably a partition or something. Apply a function, scan, apply a function each combination of elements of 2 arrays. Okay, so let's try to do this tacit free, right? So let's get rid of this. Let's try to convert this into no arguments. Okay. I wish I was code report, but I'm not code report. Okay, that guy's like a genius. And I'm just out here grugging it. Let me see. So this has got to be some fancy stack stuff, right? So the way this is, so these first two values. Okay, let's just comment this because I don't want to lose this. Let's just open a new one because I don't want to lose this thing. All right. So let's copy this over, right? Also, I'm doing this all in a browser, which is like blowing my mind. Let's copy this. Okay. It turns out you don't need NeoVim if you're not typing a lot of characters. You don't need Helix. You need nothing, right? You just need a browser. Okay, so let me see. So this is some fancy stack stuff. So first two values of the stack, right? We come in here and we do this operation, right? So I need to duplicate the top value of the stack. I need to pop? No, I need to duplicate the second. Okay, so let's duplicate the first, duplicate the second, right? And pass that in, and let's see what happens, right? So, okay, so here's the stack, right? It's looking okay. The problem though is that member is not, I need to do this backwards, right? So this right here, right? Oh, good Lord. What if I just do this? Okay, so that looks what I want, right? That looks like what I want. So I have the top value still, but I actually don't care about the top value as much because I only care about it for the mask. So technically what I could do is this, and then we could duplicate the top value here. Unbelievable. Okay, that's actually, this is actually the right, that's actually what I wanted. Okay, so now I have the top value still, right, on the stack. So I duplicated, I don't even need to duplicate, right? Oh, I do need to duplicate. Okay. Oh, the top, oh my gosh, this is bottom up. I just duplicated this. This is now the second to top value. I'm gonna learn this. Okay, I'm gonna learn this. We got a filter. Yeah, we have a filter. Just get the ones with ones. You can use keep to just get the ones with ones. Can I use keep? What is keep? Keep it's blue. Let's see. Greater than, add, subtract, divide, pot. No, it's a different blue. Index, find, keep. Discard or copy some rows of an array. Yeah, but I use this as a mask, right? So like I did member, right? And then now if I do member and I do where, now the stack, I still have the top value, thank goodness. Okay, so now I still have this top value, right? So now I have all the indices. So what did I do before? I did a select, right? Oh, I did a select. Okay, so let's do cell, right? No, that's not, I need to actually, so so I need to duplicate the top value again and do cell, right? Freaking A. What do I duplicate it here? No. Okay, this is where I fell apart last time when I started assigning variables. Let me think about this. So the top value of the stack is here. The second to top value of the stack is there, actually. Cell, do I duplicate again? Yeah, I do duplicate again. Okay, so I duplicated the second to top value of the stack, right? But because my value is the top value of the stack. Right, it's bottom up. I gotta keep remembering that. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is good. And so now we're here. So now I just need to get the first value, right? I actually, you know what, because I need to keep these values. I need to keep these values. I actually don't know. Now I have to cast them back to non-alphanumeric. I don't know how to cast to integers. And I don't think I can Google either. I don't think I can Google this. Unbelievable. I actually have to assign these. I actually now have to assign. So this is like result, right? And then we just do first equals first R, and then oh, you know what? I know what I could do. I could duplicate. So we'll just get first is this first, and then we'll duplicate again, right? Let's do F. No, we don't want to duplicate. We'll just assign this as R, and then this is as far as I can go, I think. FR first R, right? And then F is this, right? Can I take first of a scalar? What in the world? What is R? Oh, I already took the first. I took the first one here. There we go. So that's the result. And then wait, is this the result though? Oh yeah, R, right? Okay, yeah. So then we just F is first R, and then we'll do last is first rev R, and then we go FL, or we do FL like that, right? F. Wait. F is this. What's L? Didn't I put those both on the stack? Uh-oh. What's L? Oh, L is 5. Okay, so maybe we'll do like, what do we do? Plus FL? Doesn't it though? Doesn't it? Oh, I see. Cannot add character and character. What do I put it in an array? Is that what I do? Maybe I do that. Let's see. Can I couple arrays with shapes and... What did I do before? I just did FL, right? FL? Okay, but for some reason it just shows the top 2 values, and I don't know why. Why is it doing that? So I think I actually don't need to duplicate this anymore. Oh, yes, I do. I do need to duplicate this. All right, so this is okay. I mean, it's all right, you know? VS Code plugin? No. Get out of here. Pop reverse pop. It just got here. Monkafrog, don't worry about it, all right? I'm cooking right now. Picking up 2 new paradigms at the same time. Yeah, that's true. Oh, join. Yeah, that's what it is. I want to join. But yeah, I look at all these variables still. I wish I could... I want to do something like this, right? Where I have this value here, right? So I have these 2 values. Oh, that's it. I actually don't need, so all I could do is this. I just want to basically do, I want to duplicate again, right? But now I only have 1 value on the stack, right? That's the yeah, I have, so join. What is this music? Oh, I see. Okay, so now I can take first of this, right? And then so now I have the same value, and I could do join, and I can do rev. Oh, dude, sick. Okay, so let's duplicate second top value on the stack, right? Let's rev. Oh, dude, we got it. First. Oh, sick. Okay, join. Dude, yes, but we got to reverse again. We got to reverse. That's it right there. Look at this. This is the best code I have ever written in my whole life. Okay, like if I could just do this professionally, I could die a happy man. All right. Oh, this is sick. Like heck yeah. Or flip. Oh, flip. Yeah, let's flip it. Let's flip instead of reverse. Flip. Wait. There's no flip. What? There's no flip in here. What kind of nonsense? What is flip? Is that even a thing? That's not even a thing. Cool. I guess let's rev. Yes, look at this. Incredible. But I guess the problem is like, what if let's go to pad. Oh, yeah, let's go. Oh, pad is so clean. Okay, so let's actually bring let's bring 2 lines in, right? Let's bring 2 lines in here. Calling his flip. He cooked all right. I did cook. I just die alone if I'm using Wewa. Wait, promise it's safe for work? What in the world? Okay, what is this? What is this? I don't even see anything. What? Is this a Firefox problem? I feel like this is a Firefox problem. People use regex for part 2? Oh, really? Can you review my solutions? To Wewa? Bad Cop, don't tell me you already learned Wewa, okay? Don't come at me with this, all right? Pat actually stores code in URL so you can share links. Oh, sweet. It was indeed not SFW. Oh, okay. I didn't do Wewa? Okay. You did Bash. Unbelievable. I converted a Rust Hello World to Wingdings? What in the world? Is that what happened? Oh, is that your interpretation of Wewa? All right, so let me take this, right? But the real problem now is like now that I've done it for one, I need to do it for a two-dimensional array. I need to actually do it for this two-dimensional array, right? This is not going to be good. So there's a multi-line string thing, right? Is that what that is? Can I do this? So I have all these. So I either have to treat this as all values on the stack, or I have to, or I have to. Let's put this at the top, and then we'll duplicate the top value, right? Let's just try this. Can I comment this? How do I comment these? Oh, right here. Yeah. So let's just do this and see if I could do the reverse the top value, right? So let's just do this. Okay. This looks wrong though. Let's see. I actually want to do this. Okay, so I can't do that, right? Pop, maybe? The stack was empty. What if I did? Oh, I see. I would. I'd have to do this, but that would just keep the top value. I can't actually duplicate. Oh, swap the top two values. Oh, I see. So I have to swap and then duplicate, right? Yeah. Okay. So this is actually wrong though. There we go. Oh, okay, there we go. So then I could probably do, well, I don't want to, let's just put this at the bottom, I guess, right? But this isn't going to work for multiple. Shoot. Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know what I'm going to do about this. Just even doing this, right? Let's just comment this and comment this. So even having, what's multi-line? Can I do this? But this, do these count as one? Yeah, I didn't think so. I'd have to actually do, what do I do? This? I am just, this is falling apart. Okay, so I could probably do something like this, right? Like this. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay, I guess I need some delimiter, right? I mean, maybe I don't want them as multi-line. Maybe when I input them, they're actually just an array of strings, right? Can I couple arrays with shapes? Wait, what? You can't put two different... This is blowing my mind right now. You can't do this? You can't actually do it? Oh my gosh. All right. Let me see. What is this? Dude, I am a burnt pie. This is true. I'm so burnt. He's not, no, I'm not very far in at all. Oh, it's space. This honestly just looks like archaeological symbols from ancient times. Monka Frog, this actually is archaeological symbols from ancient times. It's from the 70s. Okay? You know, stack them up. Let's see. Sorry, I should have other code. Let me see. This, I gotta stack them up. Let's see. So I can do this, right? This, space. And then this. Okay. So I guess like I could just do this. Oh, shoot. That's it. All I have to do is paste this in. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay, so this, I'm just trying to get the example, Bad Cop. That's all I'm trying to do. Okay, so we've got like trebuchet, and then we've got, what was the other one? This one? It's 4. Okay. right, so this will work, right? So now I have new line delimited. I don't know. What am I even do? What am I going to do here? Okay? I don't actually know if this is what I want. Because I need to, I can't even imagine how to format this. Okay, let me think about this. What are my options here? What are my options? There's no way. What can I even do here? Shoot. I don't even know what I could. What's window? What is Windows? Let's try a little Windows. Let's see what it does. Win. Stack was empty. Cool. Oh, it takes two. The n-wise windows of an array? Oh, I see. So I would do like win2, right? Yeah. Okay. But this is assuming the array is like, I can't do this, right? Shoot. Yeah. It's not really, I mean, it's almost what I want, but it's, I actually want to like partition. Do I have partition? What can I, let's classify. No. Fall, rise. What's transpose? Rotate the shape. Is there like a group or something? Can I do like a group? What is fold, reduce, scan, each, table, group? Yeah, by index. No. Oh, partition. Group element.
Hello, Peter. What's happening?
FN Lumi. Welcome. Why would you write it if it was wrong? Can we not read external input? Seems kind of bad. Look, bad cop, I don't know if it can, right? Watch the optimal solution be like 5 characters. It probably is. If you run it locally, it can read. Oh, it can read files? You can do it in other brackets? 70s was a great time. Well, this is new, but like the array programming paradigm came from the 70s, right? For how much I helped programming hieroglyphs like the Egyptians. String split, I know. Is it? There is partition. There's no string split though, right? What is going on here? Priven, don't worry about it. BM walls, it's fine, okay? Why no compiler help? That's true. Breakfast, that's true. Streamer included. Remember Windows for part 2? Yeah, maybe. It's yellow. It's like coloring time. Yeah, exactly. I can't tell if this is going to be really hard, and Wewa are super easy after a lot of effort. Yeah, honestly, like, I don't know. I mean, I did do this part, so like for a given string, this works, and I feel like if I can just apply this to every string, then it will somehow magically work. And so that's what I'm trying to do, right? So yeah, the window thing, not really what I want, but maybe let's try to partition, right? I almost want to like group elements of an array into buckets by index. Monadic. What is happening? Monads are in here. We got monads in here. It's not good. Okay, that's not a good thing for me. I don't know what they are. Group elements of an array into buckets by index. Takes a function and 2 array. The arrays must be the same length. Well, that doesn't help me. That doesn't help me at all. Let's see. So I guess like what I could do is like find the occurrences. So check if each row. No. I think what I want to do is like find.
A monad is a monoid in the category of endofunctors. What's the problem?
Yeah, no, I understand that. I get that one. Shoot. Okay, so I think what I want to do, I just want to split on new line. How can I not do this? Get the dimensions, range. I mean, I guess the thing I could do is like, instead of making a multi-line string, I wonder how Wewa would even read this in. It would read it in as multi-line string, right? How do I split? Is there a split? Let's go back to the docs. Can we split? Split. There's no split. There's no split. Let's see. Let's go table rows. Apply a function to each row of an array or arrays. Not table. Group elements. So let's look at group again. Oh, group was the thing that needed to be the same length. The arrays must be the same length, right? No, it's not. That's not what I want. Partition. Group elements of an array into buckets by sequential keys. Takes a function and two arrays. Ooh. Oh no, the arrays must be the same length. What in the world? And contain integers. Oh, come on. How do I split? Maybe I could just Google. Maybe I can Google. You know, Uiua. There's no way. I don't think so. String split. That's the problem. You know. Oh, it says Lua. So good. My normal process is not working. Are you trying to learn the language, or do you have an algorithm in mind that you're trying to map to existing functions? Who's next? I used Haskell. Read description for partition. I did though. The first array must be rank 1 and contain integers. Rows in the second array that line up with sequential keys in the first array will be grouped together. Keys less than 0 will be omitted. The function then processes each group in order. The result depends on what the function is. If the function takes 0 or 1 arguments, then partition behaves like rows. This is called iterating partition. Okay. Oh, then it behaves like rows. Apply a function to each row of an array or arrays. You know what? Maybe instead of this, right? I don't have a particular thing in mind though. But basically what I want to do is I want to string split at new line. It's what I want to do, right? But I don't actually know how to do it. How long have I been streaming for? Oh my gosh, it's been over an hour. Can you just make an array literal? The docs make you more confused? Yeah. The dyadic functions take 2 args. You know what a monad is? I don't know. Am I going to search my heart right now? Lua, Wewa, same thing? True. Yes. Wewa, Buwa, Awuga. That's how it is. Like, you could produce the array with the same length. How? Oh, I'd have to like fill in. I'd have to get the max number. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. No, I don't. That's partition box. This should do thing. Let's see. Let's do it. Let's type it in. Let's do it. Partition. Turn an array into a box. What is that? There's a box. Turn an array into a box. This is Wewa's primary way to create nested or mixed type arrays. Oh, I was wondering how I could do that. Normally, arrays can only be created if their rows have the same shape and type. Yes. Fill can help you fill with the shape part, but it's not always wanted, and it can't help with the type part. Yeah, so that's what fill is for, right? So I'd have to get the max number. Wow, this is like my mind. I can't. The Rust programmer mind cannot comprehend. And also the Ruby programmer mind. Okay, so this. Oh my gosh, it did do it. This did do it. What in the world? What kind of alien technology? What in the world? Hold on a second. Do we need to turn it into a box? Why are these parens here? Is this to separate something? What? Oh, function. Oh, this is a function. Not equals. Compare. So anything that is not new line, you turn into a box and you partitioned. But it's weird because they're not the same. The box makes them the same somehow? Turn an array. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is it. Can help you with the shape part, but it's not always wanted, and it can help with the type. Cannot couple character. Yeah, I ran into this. So what? Box creates a box element that contains the array. All boxes, no matter the type of shape or their contents, are considered the same type and can be put into arrays together. Oh my gosh. We just unlocked We just unlocked the mysteries of Wewa. Okay, we just unlocked it. Okay, so now that I have this, now I have an array of strings, right? I don't know what these little things are. I think it means beginning and end of array. But now I should be able to do my thing here, right? I should be able to, so now I have one array value on the stack. And so basically what I want to do.
UA.
Dude. Yes. Monad, no problems. Write it in Rust or Ruby. Try to map to Wewa. Maybe. Why do I have Wewa chads? This is so crazy. Monkey Frog, I don't know. Now just map and reduce. Yeah, I think there's no map, right? There actually is no map. Because I was like, sweet, I'm gonna map, but there is none, right? And I think the only thing you could do is like apply each. I think it's called each, right? What is each? Oh, it's yellow. Yeah. So I think the only thing I could do is not map. I have to do each, right? Rows, each right here. Apply a function to each element of an array or arrays, right? So I'd have to do like, I don't know if this is this considered a function? I don't know if this is considered a function. But yeah, I don't know if this is good or not. I don't think this is considered a function right here. Because I'm doing like stack operations in it, but we can try, I guess. Cannot each arrays with shapes 10 and 4 because their shape prefixes are different. Okay, so that I can't do that. So if I did this, oh wait, I don't actually need to iterate. I don't need to map because every operation is a map, right? That's the thing. That's why there's no map, right? And that's why this is so weird because like this is normal programming right here, right? Where you like apply a function to a bunch of values, right? But in this array programming stuff, like everything is the value. So, okay, let's look at the values again. So I have my stack, right?
Your code looks like what you get when you open an executable file as a text file.
Yeah, it is. I can also fill at part ID. What in the world? But it's still, what's ID? Is it just the ID function, right? Box is a wrapper type? Yeah, exactly. I understand now. I got it. As esoteric as Rust. Inside you have access to lines separately. Okay. Put your solution instead of box inside. Put your solution instead of box inside. Oh, really? Can I do that? Even though it has stack operations? But I actually need this on the stack though, right? Like, oh, you duplicated the top value, right? So this actually needs to be the top value, right? Because this is now you've duplicated this, right? You duplicated this value, right? Let's try. Dang it. Dang it. Partition must be, yeah, so maybe I need to box, right? And then from there, I need to also do this. Well, now that I have them partitioned, oh, maybe I could just do each and this, my solution, right? I wonder if I can do that. Can I do that? There's no way, right? Oh, yeah. Cannot look for because it actually did come up with something though. It came up with something. Cannot look for members of character array and number array. I think it's because I'm assuming this one is, I'm assuming my thing is different. So maybe if I do something like this and I like flip or something, there's probably no way. Yeah, I didn't think so. But yeah, let's see. Box. I don't understand how are people that understand Wewa on Twitch? Like, this is crazy. Ask chat the best practices. That's a stream I'd watch. I might need to create a monad. Put it on stack inside. Put it on stack inside parens. Is the perfect programming moment. You could probably write the syntax as a DSL in Haskell. I have no idea about Haskell, okay? It is easy if you read tutorial. Oh yeah, I didn't read the tutorial. That's what I'm saying. I gotta actually go through this, right? but I'm trying to learn it by doing stuff, right? Okay, so let me see. So let's go back to partition, right? And then now that I have this, so here we can start doing things, right? So let's do member, and let's duplicate. Okay, so that's not good. Let's do member, duplicate, second to top. That's also not good, right? Because member is taking all of these arrays, right? Mem this. Oh, I see. It's my my value, right? I actually need to put this here because the top value is here and I'm expecting this. Okay, so it actually returned 0. How do I have to do each on this? Cannot each arrays with shapes foreign to, yeah. Each, I need to actually do like this maybe? Can I do that? No. I need to actually box these every single time, which is horrible. Or I guess I could do what, I guess I could try to make these the same shape. Either I make these the same length with like a bunch of padding, or I try to box everything all the time, right? I guess I could try to box everything all the time. Is that what this means? Does this mean box? Because like, what if I, do I need the box? What if I just did box without the parens? Oh, it's the same, right? Oh, you don't even need the parens. Really? What if I just did box? Oh, interesting. Okay, let me see. Iteration's so cheap. It's so fast. I love this. Yeah. Okay, so this looks better, I guess. It's weird. Okay, so let me see. What do I... So if I duplicate, then I get... Okay, so if I duplicate this... Okay. So let's bring back my... what was it? Plus this, right? Range. 10. Is that what I was doing? Right? Okay. And then let's... So this is my... The first value of the stack is this. And then the second value is this. So here I actually want this. Okay, so now I have it. So if I did member
Oh my
this,
God! Okay, it's happening.
Oh jeez.
Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
I gotta fix that. Pythebuzzer, welcome. Thank you for the raid. How is your stream? I just want to take a break. Partition your solution plus. Oh really? Better language than Rust confirmed. Pythebuzzer, did you leave already? You already left? The bar checker in this language is super helpful. It's true. We gotta shout out Pythbuster, even though I think they left. And I don't think they understood what was going to happen in here. Okay, I don't think they understood that it was gonna be a Uiua stream. We'll follow. I'm gonna follow. I wonder if I should raid you when I stream with my one viewer at Mocha Frog. Yes, you should. As long as they're doing Wewa, it's okay. All right, so let me think about this. Okay, so let's do. This is what Andrew says, right? And I need to like unpack this. Okay, so it's right to left, right? Oh, partition again? Why would I need to... Oh, after the boxing. Right? I don't... This is crazy. I can't believe people are doing Uiua. How is this possible? This is the power of the internet right now. So after this boxing, right? I need to actually do another partition, right? And then here, so this is the value on the stack. First of all, let's do this. This is the value on the stack, right? So I need to do another partition, but I feel like I could just do each, right? So then I do this, and then I bring this in here, right? Which is fine. And so it's... Yeah, so I need to actually do... do I have to... No, I don't have to duplicate. Let's try each. Can I take the first of an empty array? Yeah. So I pushed a value onto the stack in this function, but I'm not actually sure if that's what I want to do, right? I think I actually just want to do this, right? Oh, interesting. So the stack was empty. Okay, so cannot each arrays with shapes. Right. So partition. Oh, I see. What if I did this? So what if I did box this, and then what if I did this? So I
Hello,
treat
Peter.
every single
What's
thing
happening?
just like regular programming, right? Let's see. We'll do that. We'll get rid of this thing. This one's done. Oh my gosh, what in the world? I don't understand this. I want to. So partition box works. I wonder if I did partition box and then I just push this onto the stack. What does it do? Oh, I'm doing the same operation. I mean, this is very exciting still, but I'm so lost at this point. Cool stream. Yeah. Look at how confused this person is. This is a really cool stream. Almost first try. Remove box and you were done. Just remove. This is first partition. Just remove box. But okay. Remove box. Right? And then bring this in. How? What? I don't. That's what I'm saying. Like I pushed it onto the stack, right? Wait, no, this is fine because I duplicated the top value of the Oh, you know what? I'm missing this comma. Andrew. Are you so Andrew? Thank you. Okay, I get this. So this is, but this is, I feel like this is wrong. I don't know why, but this feels like not like idiomatic Wewa. I guess I don't know yet, but I thought for sure you shouldn't do this kind of thing. Like you should be able to operate on two-dimensional arrays. Oh, I see, but this isn't. Yeah, I feel like, I mean, this is line by line basically, right? Like I'm duplicating all this stuff, right? I mean, it does work, but it's, I don't know. I don't even think I need to duplicate this anymore, do I?
What's happening?
Oh, I do. I do. There's two arguments. Yeah, I mean, it does work, right? It does turn this into, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I also, now I need to, oh, I did it actually. So this is the top value of the stack, and this is the actual solution. Oh, but is it 77 though? No, it should be just 7. I need to actually, oh, it should just be 7, right? Oh, wait, the calibration and 77, adding those together, why would it be 77? The first and last? Dang, the array programming already took care of it. What in the world? Dang, dude, Uiua's goated right now. Like, what in the heck? Dang, it's 77. It's, he said with idiomatic Wewa without laughing. Non-fat burrito. That's what I'm talking about, okay? We need to get some non-fat burritos in here for health, okay? We need it for our health, okay? Dang, I can't believe this. Like, this blows my mind. Wewa is OP. I'm ditching Rust, okay? I'm a full-time Wewa programmer right now. Look at this. This is incredible, okay? But honestly, I feel like there's a better way to do this. I feel like I could probably code golf this to like 5 characters, but maybe not. Maybe it's not possible because you definitely need this, right? You definitely need this and you definitely need this part. And maybe you do need partition, but I feel like you're going line by line. It would be better if somehow I could coerce this thing into, well, it is into a two-dimensional array and then operate on the two-dimensional array somehow, right? But maybe there's not a way because it's line by line, right? Maybe that's the best we could do because each line needs to be taken independently, right? But each line could be represented by each dimension in the array. So I feel like in Wewa, you should be able to operate on one array within a two-dimensional array, right? I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm overthinking this. I don't know. You need to add numbers still? Oh, that's true. Are we winning? Dude, that guy, Doru, we're winning. Good luck with part 2. He said code golf unironically. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Oh, I need to add the numbers. Ah, shoot. All right, let's Let's add the numbers, I guess, right? Shoot. Yeah, I'm not even gonna like do part. I have to actually paste this in, and we'll have to see if it works. All right, let me see. In this example, 12, 38, 15, 77. Add these values together produces 142. Oh, I have to sum. But they're... Oh, I need to cast. That's what I don't know how to cast in Wewa. How do I convert advanced array manipulation, advanced stack, custom modules? Let's try types. Every value in Wewa is an array. However, okay, there are up to 4 types of arrays. Number, complex character, box. Ooh. That's what it was. Okay, so how do I... Does it go over how to convert characters into numbers? Characters like new line, EB, but spaces do not. If you don't like the significant white space, is also space. String literals delimited by create rank 1 character arrays. Right. So this gets you the character value. Oh my gosh, don't tell me that I have to get the ASCII value. Don't tell me that I have to... Oh, this is the shape. Okay. All right, let me see. And I have like an offset, right? Characters can also be 2 or character arithmetic. Okay, because characters and numbers exist in affine space. What in the world is an affine space? What? In mathematics, an affine space is a geometric... Come on now. Geometric structure that generalizes some of the properties of Euclidean spaces. I'm just trying to solve advent of code. I'm not out here trying to solve the gravitational field of the Earth or whatever, you know? Parse. Is it really a parse? No way. Part 2 is going to be challenging. I'm not going to do part 2 on the stream. I got to get out of here pretty soon. Wewa plus plus. You have to write ADY from scratch. I know, A to pain. Bro doesn't even know affine space. Come on, bad cop, get out of here. I should play L's theme from when you're doing Wewa. I should. I love Death Note. That was a good one. All right, what in the world though? Seriously, like what in the world? Is there a parse? Parse. Oh my gosh, there is a parse. It's green. Parse a string as a number. I didn't even see it. I would have done that to begin with. What in the world? It's this green. Round, ceiling, floor, sine, square root, negate, sine, not. It doesn't... Where is it? Where's parse? Parse must be a string. 2. Like, what? But where? It doesn't even have a Unicode character. How am I supposed to figure that out? Like, I thought this was the whole language. Dude. Wewa? I don't know about you anymore, Wewa. Okay, it is not here. Yeah, what the heck? I said Lua? No, that guy drew. I said Wewa. I said Wewa. Oh, we pulled it out. All right, let me see. But if Andrew wasn't here, I'd still be stuck on like figuring out partition and boxing. But apparently, if you pass each thing as a function, you don't need to box it, which is interesting because if you read the docs for partition, right, you would think, oh, for partition, you can't, like right here, right? If I go to partition, if I go to partition, right, it says the arrays must be the same length, right? But apparently, if you pass, what in the world? If you pass a function to partition, instead, it is common to use box to encapsulate groups of different shapes, okay? If you want to get the length of each group, use length. Interesting. This can be used to split an array. I just had to read the docs. I honestly just had to read the docs. What in the world? Like, that was the whole thing, right? This music, I know it's... What is this? Undocumented. No, it's not undocumented. I just didn't read the docs. There is another array which you get by doing... Does not... Yeah. Array, yeah. I also love structs. Weewoo. We're gonna call it Weewoo. I gotta want to try Wewa now. Yeah, Wewa's incredible. Oh, parse. Yeah, that's true. Like, where is parse in the docs, right? Let's see. If I keep going on characters, boxes, and then we get parse. Parse does not exist in this in this. Let's go to docs, language tour, math and comparison. Let's see, parse. No, it's like basic and formatting. Parse. Dude, what? Oh, you know, it's probably at the very bottom in modules, right? This is parse. Maybe it's in custom modifiers. Parse? Oh my gosh. Where? How did you, Andrew, how'd you find parse? Change like constant, stack idioms, audio, design, Uisms. I should look at that. Oh, functions. Here we go. Parse. Oh, here it is. Okay. But like, oh, I should just go to, oh, so this is all the functions, right? So these are all the monadic array, dyadic, iterating modifiers, aggregating, other modifiers, planet, system, file system. Oh my gosh, you can read files. Try assert this, recur random. It's under miscellaneous. This is Wewa. Parse is the most important thing. All right. Oh, we got system stuff. No way. You can get the terminal side. Audio. Oh, dude, what in the world? TCP. Dude, full stack. Wewa incoming. I bet you can compile to WebAssembly too. Yes, that's exactly me. Search parse, Justin docs, yeah. There's a search bar if you scroll down. Yes, I found it. Left pad for Wewa. What is Wewa written in? I love structs. Rust, by the way. Rust, by the way. Wewa plus HTMX. Dude, yes. Yes. Can you run this? Yeah, you can. You can run it on your own system. Yeah. I just didn't want to like set up all the... It has threads. Dude, full stack Wewa. Have they implemented Wewa? I don't think so. I think they're still using Rust. WASM, yes. Guess I know we're moving after Axum. Axum, that's 2023 stuff. Okay, we're moving on to 2024. Okay, so let me see if now I have to take this and I have to parse. What does advent of code say? It says these values are 12, 38. So if I had 12, 38, 15, right? So each of these are values, right? 77, 142. Okay. So all I have to do is just call parse, right? Go back here, right? I go. I'm gonna close these because this is better. Then we'll come in here, parse, right? And I just, right? Yeah. And then I just sum, right? Sum. Oh, there's no sum. Come on, Wewa. Where's the docs? Come on. How do I do it? Let's see. Let's just search. Sum. Come on. Wewa. What in the world? How do you do a sum? Let's look at this. Monadic pervasive. We probably want... do we just... Plus? Is that what we do? Do we just do plus? Plus 1, 2. Plus 1? No. This sums the arrays. So maybe we just want plus. Right? Let's try it. Parse plus? Cannot append arrays shape. Come on now. Parse. Oh, I see. That's the stack. There's a lot of values on the stack still. So now I need to actually come in here and say plus. Right? Oh, because how do I have to pop. I have to pop. We can pop 4 times, right? Or we can pop, oh, wait. That's the bottom. We need to flip, right? We'll flip, right? And then we'll, oh, wait. What is this? Okay, so we need to identity, pop, flip, over, right? So we'll do flip 1 time. Come on. Do I really need to flip 4 times? Flip 3 times? 2 times? What in the world? Oh, that's just swapping the 2 last values. We can reverse, right? Oh, come on. It reverses all of them? We'll have to rev, right? Oh, come on. How do I get rid of the top? What do I do? How do I get the bottom to the top? We started from the bottom, now we're on the top. Search reduce. Oh, reduce. That's what it is. Imagine having to maintain. You wouldn't maintain it. It would just maintain itself somehow. Some is 3 characters, but you can do it in 2. Sorry, bad cop, you know? Or I guess sorry, good cop. Put in partition. Yeah, because I want to pop, right? What is this? Pop. Cannot append erase. We want to... No, that's not even a thing, right? But we can parse, right? And then reduce plus. Is it good? Oh, okay, there it is. Okay. And then that's the last value is the one I want. But I don't actually... Maybe I can like... I don't know. I don't really want to assign, right? But that's kind of how it is, right? What in the world? That doesn't actually help me at all. Because n is the... yeah, maybe that's why I don't like this. Because there's like stack values left, right? But yeah, there's like stack values. Like, what do I... I mean, but I can't do that, right? Cannot append arrays. Yeah. Unless I do pop here, right? But then that just gives me the wrong thing. And I can't. How do I switch? How do I switch the stack complete? I can't even reverse the stack. Alright, but this is the value, right? So let's just do this. Let's take this. Let's see if it actually works. After all of this learning, let's get the puzzle input. We'll copy and paste it into the Wewa thing, and we'll see if it works, right? First of all, I gotta open up Helix because this is gonna be painful, right? I've gotta append. We'll just do temp, right? New. There we go. I've got to prepend $signs to all of these. So
what
will
the trebuchet say if a trebuchet could say?
What in the world? Trebuchet. So we've got... Wait, was there a blank line in here? No, there wasn't. Okay. So I think what I'm going to do is just like select a new line or something. Can I do that? No? What do I do? Just split, right? Oh, I see. I have to actually do 1,000 Shift C, right? How many were there? 1,001. So let's do 1,000 Shift C, and then we'll just append with $sign, right? There we go.
$sign, 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 $sign,
I kind of like that song, though, you know? I kind of like that song. Okay, so this is the input, right? And then we'll scroll all the way down, right? All right, let's see if it works. Oh my gosh, I broke the Wewa pad. I broke it. Look at this. I thought this was written in Rust, right? Oh, this is going to be huge. Oh, I got to put the space. I got to do the space, right? So let's do, what is this stupid $sign, right? Let's actually go back to where I was. There we go. $sign space. There we go. Okay. And then we'll paste this in and we'll delete all those, right? We'll undo that. Wow. Look at all that. Okay. Let's do this. Paste this in. Maybe tomorrow, or not tomorrow, maybe on Monday I'll actually install Wewa, right? Okay, let's see. It's looking good now, right? All right. All these stack values. This is a skill issue, though. There's a way to do this that doesn't... All right. Let's paste it in. You know? Let's paste in the answer. Wewa. First try. With Wewa. This is so good. Banned for my sins. Yeah. Look, we were wa. We woo. We woo. Ooh woo. We woo. All right. We got it. Yeah, exactly right. Let's go. I can't believe I got it. Use this heal. Oh, dude, it's gotta be Helix. It's all Rust. The Rust stack, you know. Present to select all. Oh yeah. Oh, is that what it is? Hey, Andrew, you use Helix too? Come on. Oh, cargo install Wewa. Yeah, that's what I gotta do. Then I gotta get the LSP. Would I review your? Yeah, just paste your solution in here. Read part 2. No, I'm not gonna. I've already been streaming for 2 hours. I gotta get out of here. But part 2. Continue to part 2. Okay, let's read it. You want to just see my reaction? Is that what you want, back hop? You want to see my reaction? Your calculation isn't quite right. It looks like some of the digits are spelled out with letters. Oh, come on. Come on. This is... Dude, there's no way. There's no way I'm doing this with Uiua. There is no... Actually, you know what? With Uiua, let's think about this for a second, Bad Cop. Let's think about this. I can just add these literals to my array. It's just matching again, right? And it's all strings and all characters. So I can have an array of these strings and match against them, right? Oh, wait. Yeah, this might work. Dude, this might just be the same exact solution. Equip with this new, you now need to find the real first and last digit on each line. So this is 2 and 9, right? And this is 8 and 3. This actually might be the same solution in Wewa. Honestly, it might be very similar. To tell you the truth, because like, look at what I've done, right? Look at what I've done here. So all I've done is like, I just checked this masked value, right? So technically, if these are characters, but they don't, this is a string, but I think, well, I don't know. I gotta do it off stream. I don't actually know. I think it's possible. We have to overcook. Yeah. Proceeds to do it. No, I'm not gonna do it on stream. 3 hours. Yeah. No, there's no way. The problem is that the problem is poorly defined. Yeah, exactly. The problem is poorly defined. Add before parse to the left. Oh, is this? Oh, because to get rid of the stack stuff. Let me see. Andrew, did you post your thing? Oh, there it is. Okay, well, let's look at it. I use Helix to space as well. We're the same. He's just like me, for real. Let me see. This, what do I do? What do you say, before? Because I really do want to get rid of these other stack values. Wait, what did you say? Oh, before parse to the left? Yeah. Let's see, enter. Oh, there it is. That's much better, right? Oh, that's way better. Okay. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, so there's just like a random parse here. That's so funny. Okay, so let's look at the solution. Okay, let's look at part 1. Uiua. I love this. All right. Solution 1. Oh, you actually gave it a name. Wow. Oh, so your solution is different. Oh, I see. You put it on one line, right? Then you have parse. What in the world is this? What is this one? What? Oh, you actually took... Dang, this is way better. This is way better than mine. Look at this. Look at this. A duplicate of the stack. And then you did like a keep. Oh, shoot. Yeah, the way I did it was the long way. I did, because I'm still thinking procedurally, right? I'm still thinking in regular imperative programming land, or like functional land, right? I'm still in functional land, right? And I need to get to array land. So I did member where select and then first. But yours, you did a joint, you did a revert. What the heck is that one though? You did a you did a join, and then also you did a, was it a pack? No, you did you did a fork. Oh, you called 2 functions on the same, oh man. This blows my mind. Let's put this into Wewa so we can read it, right? Let's put it in here. Oh, and you read the file. Dude, you read the file contents. That's incredible. Let's put this in here, right? Let's put this into this. We'll just do another one, right? Point for your die. Yeah, we'll just do this, right? Refresh. Here we go. Okay, so you did a parse, a join, and a fork. Okay, so starting from right to left, right? So the first thing you did is the same. You just did the doc, right? You split on new line. You duplicated the top value of the stack. What is this? What is this? Why is there an A? Why is there a random A character? Compare less than A. Okay. And then okay. Wait, what? I need to understand what this is. Hold on.
Hello, Peter.
What's happening? Lucason. Welcome. I need to understand what this is. Let's run this. Okay, this doesn't work. But let's, so this right here, like what if the stack probably looks something like this, right? 1 ABC 2. And like whatever we'll just do with this. Yeah, okay. Yeah, just relax. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try this. Oh, stack was empty. What in the world? Why is the stack empty? The stack isn't empty. You're empty. Oh, okay. Oh, so that gives you... Oh my gosh. This gives you less than, compare for less than the character A. Oh, because you're thinking in Unicode values or like ASCII values, right? And then you just... Okay, so if I do just this operation... Oh, this gives you member, and it gives you where? Oh, wait. What did I do? Because you don't actually need the A acts as you don't actually need the range. Dude, this is some next level Wewa code right here. This is incredible. Like, this is incredible. And then you did a keep. Dude, my mind cannot comprehend this, okay? My mind cannot comprehend this, all right? My guy's coding wingding. Yeah, get push, get paid. We got wingdings. Numbers less than A? Yes. I forgot to duplicate. Yeah. Unbelievable. This blows my mind, okay? Because I did it the other way, right? I did it, we are learning Wewa today in this stream. This is a real thing that's happening. Okay, I gotta get going though. But I did it this way. I did, well, you actually gave me this, but I actually had, this actually evaluates to 0, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which I really don't even need 0. So really I could just have done this and it will probably give me the same, yeah, 5, 4, 9, 2, 7. So like this, yeah. Yeah, this is way cleaner than mine. Mine makes logical sense, but like, yours does too. Yours actually, I mean, this. All right, what else was it? What else was in here? What else was in this thing? Let's see. Then you applied a function here. Oh, so yours is more functions, and mine was more array operate. See, I'm trying to do less. I don't want to be applying functions with parens, right? I'm trying to do less of that, you know? So this inline functions are only allowed in modifiers or as the only item in a binding. Oh, so you actually have to do that in partition, right? Is that what we're saying? You actually have to do this inside of partition, right? Oh no, look at that. Inline functions only allowed in modifiers or as the only item in a binding. So these need to go together, right? What is this? First or reverse? Okay, so you did first, reverse. Oh, I see. Yeah, so technically, because you're trying to put new values on the stack. Oh, you're trying to put new values on the stack, right? Yeah, you're trying to put new values on the stack. This is a value. This is a value, and then you did you called these two functions with fork, right? On the same value. Dang it, dude. Dang it. This is so good. I hate this. I love it. I hate this. Dang, this is really good. Like, fork and join, overpowered, okay? Like this little Super Mario pill, overpowered, okay? OP. First and then last, basically. First and reverse is last. Yeah, all this works together. Join and fork in this. Dang. This is next level Wewa. Like, this actually legitimately blows my mind. Like, we have reached the final programming. So we don't even need partition, right? We can actually just do this. All right, we can do this. Let's do that. This? Yeah. So this right here takes this string and it gets, okay. So so anything less than A, which is a number. Dang. Dang. This is really good. This is really good. I am still a bit confused if you have to push the arguments first and then the function, or the other way around. You push the arguments first, right? So it's right to left, right? My socks are heading to Mars. What does that mean? All right, I gotta get out of here. Who's streaming? Who's doing Advent of Code today? We're reading Zelda runes? McGarvey, no, it's Wewa. Okay, we're doing Wewa. I used to think reading regex then came with just gibberish. It's not gibberish. Get out of here. McGarvey, good to see you, by the way. Good to see you. Let me see. Okay, let's see. Is Algebro doing? No, he's not doing. Oh, Advent of and Haskell. Okay, let's do MetaMe. Advent of Code in Haskell. How many of these are there again? I always forget. Right? Oh my gosh.
Hello, Peter.
Oh,
what's happening?
Wait. How do I get this? There we go. Okay. Cactus Corp. Welcome in Haskell. Yeah, exactly. All right. Wait. Can you please explain what you read the functions from right to left? I did. You read from right to left, and then there's like a select one to get, but I learned it too late. Oh shoot. Yours is not clean? Oh, select. Oh shoot. Then that is good though, Andrew. That is good. All right. It was fun. I'm sorry, Felix 5. I will try to explain it on Monday when I do Advent of Code Day 2 in Wewa. Or maybe I'll try to do the ones over the weekend, but I doubt it. All right. I'll be back on Monday. It's an Arabic type programming language. All right, we're going to raid. Let's raid. Did I raid?